Come over here. You look so soft today. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Oh, honey, what are you doing? Come on.
So the other night, Tiger was acting a bit strange, and I got very worried because to me he seemed sad and Boo Boo was nowhere to be seen. And then my phone glitched.
Oh, what happened then?
And then, when Tiger came back...
I don't know if this is coming out, but his ear is wet. Why is it wet? Why is your ear wet? Tell me. Come on, show us your ear. Come on. How am I gonna get it? We couldn't see it, but trust me, it's wet. Hey, Mr. Slimy Ear. Come on, show me your ear. Come on. Oh, is it too close? Hang on. There you go. Come on. Wanna bite me?
Don't judge me. I thought biting me might cheer him up.
No, you don't have to. Why is your ear so slimy? Come here. What are you doing? Honey, you okay? What is it? What is it, baby boy? Come on.
Tiger and Boo Boo usually arrive for dinner together, and she was nowhere to be seen, so I was worried.
My love, what's wrong? Are you okay? Are you just trying to guilt me out of another egg? Yes? Is this what you'd like?
I know I'm often guilty of assigning human emotions to foxes, but he just seemed sad. However, this noise is about to cheer me up. Tiger was on his way out of the garden when something spooked him. Was it Boo Boo jumping down?
Was that Boo Boo down the end? It was someone. Oh, it's a cat. It's a black and white cat. Are you okay, Tiger? It's just a kitty. I don't know where it went. You're okay. Just go in the bushes.
It's so funny that people always worry about cats around the foxes. Look, it took Tiger a minute to get the courage to leave. And I needn't have worried about Boo Boo being a no-show. The very next night, she was back to her old tricks of peeing in the food bowl and then peeing on it again, just for good measure. So in the end, all was well, except I have no idea why Tiger had a wet ear.